Ukhozi olumaphiko olugula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni nobuciko nomnyunyiyo edweleni isivinini emafini icula ingoma emnandi yayahlukanisa unyaka omusha komdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza sezidololozela sathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo sokhozi FM sisibhalelwe isidadada sothu ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
Ngwamkele kwesinye isitophe esimnandi sokhozi FM TV igama lami nguNeliswa Ngwacele njengoba ubona ke sikhipha impahla zokugcina namhlanje lezi zikule ku wardrobe saswenka size kuma Summer Awards South African Music Awards ino 30 years ikhona embonini kulonyaka 30 years abantu bethola imkomelo eyahlukahlukene sizogubha sizo celebrate khona abathukile abangazi noma bazowina khona sebezaziyo vele ukuthi no siyawina asingeneni ngaphakathi sibona red carpet sibona fashion sibona ama winners sibona nalabo abacishe bawina sambe siyobona izingane uzenzani Njengamanje ngimelana noZulu Boy Putwami no Skeleton Blazer. uSkeleton by the way usanda kuthola umkomelo iaward osixoxela ngayo. Putwami ninjani?
Ngiyathokoza nkosazana, so good to see you.
You too, kade agcina.
Ayade agcinana. Khosi FM lumaphiko phiko lihamba phambili.
Lalela sidizela phezulu. Ubekwa yini kumasama uzozibukela unominateiwe khamba kanjani?
No, ukuthi umuntu mayisebenza sometimes usebenza in different sections even behind the scenes engabonakali. Ngine feature on a classical album ka Skeleton Blazer. On a song called 420 and the album been nominated. It's just one Joshua red carpet siyawuza umculo wethu udlala in the background with Skeleton Blazer and it's just one best reggae music album and it's a new category because Amarasta were not recognized in South African music, so we are honored to be ngiphelezela Skeleton Blazer in winning the best reggae album.
Lalela uzizwa unjani Skeleton Blazer uyawina futhi mangizwe yaqala lento kwenzeka ngoba icategory entsha lena.
No, ayiqala ukwenzeka sebekhona abawinile before but ngiyabonga ukuthi ngiyiphathi eyabantu abawinile since kuloko kuwina but sengikhona sengifikile ngigalelekile nguSkeleton Blazer ngegama man of a buckle can lose the buckle.
Hey
yes I
ngiyayithanda leyo siyakubongela halala qhubeke nje wina ama awards.
Asibonge mama wami.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you
So much. Nkosazana, when we hear reggae music we think of Lucky Dube. We think of WHP, the way that is made Motswako music fashionable. We think of Zulu Boy, how he came up to Joburg and make Zulu music a hip-hop fashionable. Same with Skeleton Blazer. He's bringing a different sound of reggae music by the people, for the people. It's reggae music spoken in Siswati, Sizulu, Sipedi, Sisuthu, most of all, yeah.
uZulu Boy khuluma isigisa singayi ngamqala mina uvela ube English boy ngeke.
No, I find you obliviously absurd and preposterous that you come to such notions when it comes to the Queen's language. Akavinjana ngoba shalela kabamdlayo mahlalo uphenduka mginqe nje ubufana nela.
Thandi njalo.
Njengomakhoqa mfethu ukuthi sigqoke bani sigqoka uZayana ngithi uyabona usenze sibe nice kanjani sibheka mfethu we look great mfethu.
You look stunning. Alright, sike eduze kwami sengime nomuntu who is a legend in the industry esikuyona uPenny Lebiyane. Thina ubusuku banamhlanje ulindelela ngiqalelana wazwa muhle.
Ngiyabonga nawo muhle futhi.
Ngiyabonga uqokusobani.
Nginokuthi nje ngithenge amasudi ngiwabeke yabo. There's a shop called P Exclusive. It's owned by a black woman. Uyongqokisile isikhwama sami uKamala Koki Kamala, a girl from Botswana, and then the rest is jewelry from different designers like and njengoba sebashilo bathi let's noise more music ngivele ngathi Anthulenge.
Thulani nibuke mina. Tell me ubusuku obukhulu emculweni la eNingizimu Afrika sama 30 years manje. Khona into othakasela ukuyibona namhlanje ebusuku.
Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi siyogubha kanjani le 30 years, especially for someone like myself. I've been to the summers for almost all the 30 years. So I have memories of, like, for example, Uphuzi Khemi sedlala isiginci sakhe at the summers sisaqala, Sharon D, and over the years other people. So I just want to see how we're going to celebrate le 30 years.
Ngimeduzwe kwasisi wami usisi esimthanda kakhulu la emculweni waseNingizimu Afrika. Unjani sisi wami?
Ngiyaphila, wena unjani?
Ngiyaphila uzomuhle.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Kwenzakalani lana? Uthungile, uthungisile, uthengile.
Ngiqosa umuntu waseThekwini ngithe ngifuna nje ewela ngale kwelandle phesheya ize ifike la eGoli. Her name is my fashion link. So ngithe nje kuye ngicela something very regal but also uyabona nawe la eGoli kuyashisa. Ngasi ngicela ibe mfishana, ngifuna imsila namavushuvushu. Ngifuna ukuthi nami bangene ngevosho.
Uya kwi after parties.
Hawukusobala.
Xoxele ubusuku obukhulu emculweni nawe ngumculi khona into olindele ukuyibona oyithakasele namhlanje ebusuku.
Engakusho nje ukuthi ama-Summers 30 akhiphe zonke ingadlangadla ze-industry ukuthi bezobungaza u-30 years yabona womculo. So sijabule kakhulu, silindele olukhulu. Abantu must wait to be entertained namhlanje ebusuku.
Sijabule kakhulu, sikufisela inhlanhla nawe uzovakasha uyaperforma khonto yenzayo.
Nginominatiwe but also ngiyaperforma, which is a tribute, but ke ngizobona khona ke nginitshela konke nje. Just expect a nice surprise.
Yiphi category?
Video of the year and song of the year.
Uyayithemba?
Hamba. Noma ingawinanga, ama numbers will never lie, so I'm happy either way, and I think wonke umuntu okuleyo category abantu abasebenze kahle kakhulu, so whoever goes with the award at home, it's well deserved.
Indeed. Hamba ke cishe ngathi hamba Juba, but hamba ngeke bazobakuchuthe kodwa but
Alibona nje nawe leli Juba sisi.
alichuthe ukubona le mimi ethi baliphethe kahle phambili.
Kanti bengithi lizobuya kanti
Wena ke loyo.
ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga. Njengamanje ngime ne-The Soil, siyazi umculo wabo siwuthanda kakhulu la eNingizimu Afrika. Sanibona nazi nabahle angazi ukuthi ngikhulume nobani kuqala.
Alibona lapho.
Hawubeke sizoshaya iharmony nyana.
Yazini angithi manje separately kadlala.
Ngiyahleka ayikho ikluwe enyaweni zami. Ngixoxeleni nifikele namhlanje ubusuku obukhulu kakhulu emculweni. Nilindele ukubonani yini nje nijahile ukuyibona namhlanje?
Mina ngijahile ukubona ama performers kakhulu because yazi kudala silindile vele ama artists bewahalela stage. So today I'm interested ukubona magic. Yeah, ngifuna ukubona magic nje please.
As for ama artists ahalela stage wemba.
Ahalela stage ubona nithulekile.
Ayazi ama artists uthi nisho njalo?
No senyasho ukuthi indawo yethu vele stage kusekhaya.
Ngiyayithanda.
Oh yes.
Ngiyayithanda ke leyo. Jabule kakhulu kunibona. Siyazi ukuthi kune team member entsha. Angazi ukuthi ngikukhombe ngakuphi ngapha.
Ngiyambona mangithi angimboni.
Angazi ukuthi ubani.
Kukhulunywa ngaye. Uya lo.
Ulo.
Akusiwena.
Hayi lo.
Owenzeni?
No, but wami uzizwa unjani ujoine i-team? Solid team esikhona already. Abakufikisanga?
Ngijoyina ngijabule kabi ngijoyina i-team ngimusha. Ngayijoyina vele ngo-2004 mina i-team. Kodwa bakhona abaqeda ukuyijoyina nje maduzane. Usisi uTheo.
Uyadlala yimi engiqeda ukuyijoyina i-team. It's been very nice. Kumnandi nje kwa-The Soil.
No, ngikufisela inhlanhla and very excited ukubona ukuthi nizokwenzani namhlanje nize ngokuzobuka niyaperforma khamba kanjani?
And manje sijabule kakhulu because iqeda kuwina ne-award.
Yibi?
Ye-best engineered album.
How guys? Aphinda. Ngiyanibongela kakhulu Halala. Ngiyayithanda nangendlela enigqoke ngayo. Njengamanje niyabona senginama bodyguard obhuti bami nje ngisafe ngiright kunje khona uDanger ngalana khona uKharimba noShayo obhuti wami. Hayibo kwenzakalani namhlanje ulindeleni zokwenzani uyaperform vakashile khamba kanjani?
umuntu uzoperforma isina nje sizokwenza into yokugcina ngeperformance nokuthi silindele ukuthi nje abantu abadeserve ukuba thola ama-awards bawathole kunikwa abantu aba-right.
Bhuti wami wasakhela i-national anthem wazosiqhatha nezwe.
Hey mfethu, hey induna engafi.
Wazosiqhatha uzizwa unjani nje makuyi-Rugby World Cup kuvele kuthiwa yini?
Yo ngiyathokoza kakhulu mfethu. Vele-ke into emnandi ukuthi bavesane bangibiza bathi ayazini vele ube khona singadlali ingoma hamba nathi la hamba khona ama-Springboks ube khona.
Usho ukuthi sizovala i-national anthem nje?
Sizovala ngayo yazi ngathi uyazi sizovala vele njengoba sila basicelile bathi sicela uzosivalela ngomthandazo ngeculo lesizwe.
Shaye bhuti wami sikhiphani kwenzakalani ulindeleni?
Ngilindele iy'ngane ezintsha sizosupport iy'ngane ezintsha sisuke eThekwini bazobona ne-performance yethu emnandi namhlanje so ya asijabuleni bafethu kube mnandi yes.
Lalela angasakwazi ukulinda ngizobe ngikhona ngizoyibuka le performance.
So jayiva nawe nje uzwakala uzosijoyina.
Ayi neqhoksela ngaka ngizolunga.
Ubaba kanje wabe usushisa kanje.
Nina
Sala ufaka iteku sokuboleka iteku.
hayi ngizonibonela ngempela ngiyabonga kakhulu looking forward to i-performance. Alright ke njengamanje ngime nabantu abazoperform uyabona nje sekubovu sekuyakhanya ngapha ku-white AV Rain Candy kanye no-Ishmael sanibona.
Hello.
How are you?
Siyaphila unjani sisi wami?
Ngiyaphila. Oh umesha wazomesha ney'nwele.
Ya, na phela mesenze show se-red carpet la sisesama-30 nkosi yami.
Umesha ucarpet.
Yeah, mesha ucarpet bheka like ngalala phansi yena ngibone.
Imvula yabaswiti. Love it.
In the flesh.
Ishmael bhuti wami usukhona kakhulu kwindima yomculo u-30 years wamasama kulonyaka mhlawumbe ikuphi okulindele experience yakho emculweni kuze kube isikhathi samanje injani?
Oh hayi experience yami la emculweni has been very interesting but mostly it was motivating. Ngithola into enjalo. I've seen a lot, I've been through a lot but mostly I think I've been blessed ukuthi be part of because nami in a way I could also be celebrating 30 years in the game yabona into enjalo so izinto mayihlangana namasama it really means a lot to me because it just remind me where I come from not only as Ishmael but as a South African black man, you know what I mean? Like yeah, I'm happy that I chose this path. Definitely.
Kuyajabulisa and you matching up nomuntu one-experience kanjena emculweni kusho ukuthini kuwena do we need abantu abanje kakhulu futhi for other artists?
Ewe siyawadinga ama-mentor so that abantu nabo bangafaka i-effort kumculo wabo so that bumameleke ukubone and then on top of that it's very great ukusebenza nomuntu one-experience because ufunda kakhulu about the industry angeke uze ushaywe ngabantu uzoyazi ama-ins and outs ukuthi u-operate kanjani kule game yabona ungaphazamiseki umoya.
So tonight nisiphatheleni?
Yeah, siniphathele umrivithi
Because it's better than a performance later. We have a performance. We actually the first people who gonna start performing tonight lapana so yeah kuzobe kumnandi kabi.
Lalela sijabulile kakhulu kuba nani all the best jabulile futhi ngifuna ukuyibona leya candy leya stage ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Njengamanje ngime uyazibonela nje no Vanilla Black. Refill.
Hello sanibonani.
Mana-ke awungixoxele nenza kanjani ukuthi nonke kini niba ama-celebrate nonke namba ukhaphethi ngeke
Yazi I think kumele ubuze uMaya abane sibeletho sakho kusho ukuthi besi strong uyabona but umuso kaNkulunkulu sothini.
Beautiful night namhlanje yomculo yini olindele ukuyibona yini oyithakasela?
Ngilendele ukubona ubhuti wami yazi ubhuti wami Pretty Ugly ukuthi athathe u-best male artist mhlawumbe athathe u-best hip hop but more than anything I'm excited ngoba mina tonight guest presenter one of the biggest categories namuhla tonight.
Which category?
Hey, most streamed song of the year.
Hey Bo, uzovela usuthi Pretty Ugly.
No.
I know he's not nominated, but he's nominated for that.
But ngisho nje ngifuna ngithi butamoza woza thathi award yakho mntase ngizokublessa
sivele sithi itiye.
Yazini. Asiriki kanjalo kodwa siyahlonipha la ekhaya.
Ngithanda i-outfit yakho ngixoxele ngayo.
Yabonga. Lo u-agriculture Agri, House of Agriculture. Uhlale PTA, umuntu wasePitori. The theme bekuyi proudly chic South African. So mina ngahamba ngokuthi yenze umuntu ophuma khona la mhlawumbe la here in South Africa. So I think that's what I went with. And futhi ukuthi ibheka yabona nginkosazana enesizotha engathi you know nginobu royal nyane yabona so
Royal blue.
royal yabona letha lo royal
Love it. Siswami ngibonge kakhulu ube nobusuku obuhle.
ngiyabonga Nele. Now yeah, guys muhle lo sisi please ningabi nomona ntela shine turn around sisi yabona
Njengamanje ngimene ubhuti wami uStone Nqalabutho kule industry esikuyona ngikakubalela izinto eziningi azenzile kwi-radio isemculweni kade ngibuka nje interview lapha na kwi-radio 2000 with DJ Sbu nibuyekeze emuva uzizwa njani ngempela so many years nesama ithi 30 years nawe ke yabona nje
I'm very proud. You know, so many years we've maintained. But Ukala, I'm so happy that we're still alive. You know, we've lost so many of our great artists, Bomagesh, Mandoza, you know, Bobra Hugh, and all of those. I wish they would be here to celebrate this milestone. But I'm glad that we're still here to represent.
Uthini kwi-industry or the youth ones abangenayo abantu abasha abangena kwi-industry kulonyaka babukela kunina abantu asebemkantshubomvu kulomsebenzi
Bongunzima ukungena kwi-industry to like back then, so I can only imagine how much more difficult it is wamanje, you know. So for me, I would say put education behind yonke into yenzayo and make sure that you put your skills to the forefront. You want to last in the business, you don't just want to become a flash in the pan. So, you know, the more you respect your craft, the longer you're going to last and the more rewards you will get.
suku obukhulu in music khona into thasela ukuyibona namhlanje
Mina, I came for the industry, you know, ngithanda wonke umuntu, and for me, music is not a competition, it's a mission. So, ngifuna ukubona ubuhle babantu benu and everything, you know, that is shining about our beautiful industry.
the outfits ihlangene ngiyayibona uyihlanganisele wena
You know, my people at Sartorial Cloth, it's a South African-based suit-making company. They make bespoke suits. They also have been involved in the industry, textiles, for a very long time. So they've taken care of me since even before they started their own company, when they were still with Kaduchi, you know, how they were working with me.
That's amazing. Gizosuka, thank you so much. Have a
Thank you,
beautiful
my sis.
evening. Jamanje ngimeduze kwabhuti wami uSimamane, General Simamane unjani?
Yaphila njani sisi wami?
Ngiyaphila, uready nezandla zitheka ukubona ukuthi namhlanje ziyenzeka izinto. Ulindeleni obusukwini banamhlanje siyazi ukuthi ubusuku obukhulu kakhulu emculweni.
Hey, usuku lwanamhlanje luyisibusiso kumina since it's my first time here and I'm nominated under the Best Gqom album and I want to congratulate to Q because Nakona, I'm happy because I'm also part of the album. We don't play the same Gqom, but big shout out to QDJ for the amazing award, man.
Uyena i-inspiration yakho niyasebenza ndawonye?
Yeah, ngiyasebenza naye since 2020. The first project, we don't play the same Gqom, I'm part of it. And the second one, that's one today. I'm also part of it, but I'm happy ukuthi sithathile. Yeah.
Siyanibongela halala siqale ngalokho ngathi ngaqhubeka futhi ninezinye indondo manje ngixoxele ngoba uSimamane sebebangaka abadideki nje abantu bethi ilo kwezi ufila kanjani
lokho akungithusi cause naye ubhuti uSimamane he knows ukuthi I'm also uGeneral Simamane. We come from the same family. Same yabo nje mawuthi their family reunion, we unite as like he's my brother, but I appreciate it to have a brother in the same industry. So siyakhula sonke ekugcineni and I'm happy for him, yabo. So umuntu nomuntu adide khona uSimamane hip hop khona weGqom. So sisayibambile and we are happy.
Lo weGqom ugeneral.
Ugeneral go weGqom. Owe hip hop uSimamane.
I love that. Butwami kwi-award nominatele wona khona uvalo ke manje ngiyayibona lo seniwinile but lezayo uzizomandla uzizwa njani?
Hey, it's all on God, but I'm still nervous. But I'm praying, you know. I want to make sure I get this one, eh.
All the best bhuti wami. Ngiyabona ama gloves uzenzele khamba kanjani outfits wayihlanganisele.
Outfits engaswana since day one. So I just like, you know what, let me keep it like this so that when people want to see me, they can recognize me. It's, oh, here's the dude with the gloves, you know? Yeah. So.
Ngiyayithanda. Thank you so much. Ube nobusuku obuhle. Yazi ukuthi angithi ngime nomsakazo uKhosi FM oqavile because mawukhumbula kahle kusiyayijika wa last year wayibambela ishow ubusiso sisonke kunjani
Kuyabambeka nje.
Kuyasakazeka
nje lokho kuma show uyabona nje nawe umuntu ugqoke neheel namhlanje wow.
Wow. Siswami ungumculi ubusobukhulu kakhulu emculweni namhlanje. Sama futhi ina 30 years. Mhlawumbe kupho lindele ukubona kuma artists nakubantu abakhona.
Hey, kumnandi ukuba lapha because when I was coming up it was a dream of mine to perform kumasama. So ngafika I think ngaqala ukufika ngo2012 senze my name is Nozinhle. Hey abantu outfit yami bengayithanda abantu yazi bakenzani? Bangiyuqa. And it was my first time performing on live TV like that. But you know what? Ever since then, I've come to enjoy every part of the music industry. La kumnandi khona mina ngiyajabula. Njengoba kumnandi nje namhlanje sijabulile 30 years of the summers. I've been in the industry for maybe half of that, like 14 years. So ngiyabonga nje umdala ukuthi usihlanganisile kanje.
Sibonga thina namhlanje uze ngokuvakasha uyaperforma khamba kanjani?
Ikhona nje ngiperforma encane phela ngisike sawuthatha usong of the year. Sike saba ngumsindo lapho Khosini 2018.
Lalela ngashwanisa unyaka.
Lalela iba nomoya yenzani. So I'm performing that song as a celebration of, you know, what we've done over the years and the songs that have really held a strong place enhlizweni zabantu baseMzansi.
Looking forward ngixoxele ngengubo azana uthi ngiqale ngibuze ini wazomuhle uhlanganisela uba
Bengikhalela ukuba imbali nje ngathi no, I'm a flower. You know what, it's springtime and Savage Stylist is my stylist and she put this together for me. I love looking pretty. Ngiyathanda ukugqoka ama red carpet angiwathanda kakhulu yabo, I won't lie, but I enjoy looking good and feeling good and I've been feeling so good tonight, so I'm so happy to be here.
Uwenzile umsebenzi muhle kakhulu ube nobusuku obuhle siyabonga.
Enkosi sibe right.
Thank you. I'm standing here with Tarina Patel from the Real Housewives of Joburg. How are you?
I'm very good, very happy to be here. Thank you.
Listen, you look stunning. Talk to me about this dress.
Well, you know, the theme is proudly South African. So as a proud South African, I dressed myself. But, you know, I love like a little...
Ooh, a little shimmy.
A little shimmy with my very African bottom half.
Absolutely love it. Talk to me. It's a big night in the music industry, but you're also in entertainment. Is there anything exciting that you're looking forward to? What are your expectations for tonight?
Look, I'm honestly just super excited to be here. It's the 30 years of the Samas, just celebrating all the icons, celebrating our industry. And honestly, like getting through 30 years is pretty iconic.
It is indeed. Well, I hope you have a good evening. You look amazing. Thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Etuzawami ngimene ubhuti wami uPepsin asisona stranger kumasama kusakhona ama nominations wasebenza nama winner kade sikhuluma nje no Skeleton Blazer washo ukuthi usewinile nomsebenzi wenu nizizwa ninjani?
Yo, Yazin, I'm going to be honest with you. I am so excited. Ngijabule. Otherwise, you know, by the way, my name is Kiteboho Monse, and, you know, otherwise known as Pepsin. And, you know, I'm a dancehall artist as well in South Africa, representing Mzansi Reggae dancehall, you know. I am very excited, no Skeleton Blazer, you know. I win yaga Skeleton. Shoguti nami win. You understand? So we all celebrate, we're all nice, and we're all going to be, you know, representing this genre because we are busy genre for it to be recognized like any other genres within the industry. You know, especially like, you know, kuna mapiano, kuna afropop, kuna, you know, South African hip hop and all that. We want also you to remember kuna Mzansi Reggae. You understand? And that's what we are representing. That's what sisebenza kanzima kangaka, you know, siyasebenza phela uyazibona ukuthi siyasebenza.
Ngiyanibona, a working person.
Yeah, cool, you know. We cried and then the industry heard our cry and we are here. Nathi we are here with you guys. You know, we are also looking like important people because we are important people as well.
20 seconds nje Mzansi Reggae ihlukene kanjani ne-reggae nje abantu abayijwayele?
You know, so the reason why City Mzansi Reggae, we're just giving it an identity because Lana, when we sing reggae, we sing it in our languages, our own languages. Ingaba Isotho, ingaba isiZulu, Xhosa, you know, Venda, whatever. As long as we are using our languages, you know, we feel proud. You understand? We are representing into ngathi iyethu. We are owning it. You understand? So that's why we are actually calling it Mzansi Reggae. Akunamahluko phela. The only thing is that we are using our own South African official languages. We understand, and yeah, that's how we like it.
Love it. Siputwami ngibonge kakhulu. Enjoy ubusuku bakho.
Do the same, please.
Thank you.
By the way, you're looking lovely, yeah?
Look who's talking. Hey. Gimeno Putwami Uzenaro nominated for Best Kwaito. Asina Manevs.
I'm nominated for Best Kwaito but nje ngithukile kancane but ngegrand futhi yakhe.
Kancane.
Yeah, kancane nje.
So ithatha le.
Angisathukile kakhulu because it's not the first time I took it on the summer 27 kwi Best Gqomi. Yeah, angisathukile kakhulu, yeah, sure.
No, ngikufisela inhlanhla ngathi ngawina. Ulindeleni ubusuku obukhulu namhlanje emculeni. Khona into othakasela ukuyibona.
Thank you so much. So into engithakazela ukuyibona nje mina ukuba kwi surrounding nje with a lot of creatives. With everyone, network esibona abantu sijabule. Le nomination for me kwinzalo yeKwaito second half as abantu bazi ukuthi ngeke ngayithatha kwinzalo yeKwaito first half ngo-2021. For me it means a lot because nginominated nabantu abakhulu engibahloniphayo engikhule ngibabuka oSibuma Loya from TKZ family. So for me it's a privilege, but what is more important, ngiyabonga nje for the summers and everyone ongisupportile from day one. Everyone I've worked with nje kwi-EP, ngiyabonga kakhulu Juicy, Dusty, everyone, producers and the two featured artists, my family company Spotless Works. We are here, we're just having fun. Thank you so much to Ukhozi FM for this interview and opportunity. Kumnandi wafethe trip yaconza.
Lalela kubeni mnandi siyabonga kakhulu ngikufisela inhlanhla.
Ukhozi FM lamba phambili washa.
Gimelana ne The Legacy Best Contemporary Album angicabanga nomination yenu. Niyayithemba kodwa?
Oh, siyayithemba sizobuya nayo.
Nihamba nayo?
Kanjani.
Manzi amancane.
Amanzi amancane kakhulu. Manzi amancane.
Lalela umculo wenu siyazi ukuthi kwamanye amazwe noma ngisho eNingizimu Afrika kwesinye isikhathi akukhulile ngaleyo ndlela nizizwa ninjani ukurecognizewa kuma awards afana njengalawo?
Kubalulekile ukurecognizewa kuma awards because ila khona ukwazi ukukhuthazeka khona umsebenzi wakho, ila khona ukwazi khona ukuthi yazi uzizwe ukuthi hayi cha ngumculo wangempela ngoba phela ukusebenza emculweni ungacula iminyaka but yabona mawungekho into oyiphethe ngesandla ekhombisayo ukuthi iloko sengikwenzile kuba nzima kuba nzima kakhulu. So siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi nominate, we are privileged and we are honored ukuthi sibe la.
Honor is ours. Siyabonga kakhulu ukunibona. Mhlambe angeke ngize kuwena ubusobukhulu namhlanje emculweni. Ulindele ukubonani? Khona performance oyilindele, usabani, ulindeleni, khamba kanjani?
Oya performance akhe namhlanje.
I'm not sure.
Ngifuna inkabe yami ngifuna ukushaya ivosho kabi namhlanje. Yeah. I'm looking forward to ama performance. Bengakazi ukuthi ke obani aba performer but yeah namhlanje so enjoy kakhulu celebrating 30 years of democracy also. So yeah. Sienjoy kakhulu namhlanje. Siyabonga.
No, bonga thina ngimfisela inhlanhla engathi kungahamba kahle konke.
Bonga thina.
Thank you. Ngimelana nelegend yomculo Arthur Mafukade and his daughter. Ayibo abantu bazalwa bembethe. Awazi ukuzala umbethe. Uyayazi leyo nto. I think that means I look exactly like him or something similar. Not really. It means you were born lucky. Uzizwa njani having a mogul kule industry? Sorry, please repeat. How do you feel having a father who is a big shot in the industry?
I think because he's my dad, he will always be my dad. But at the end of the day, I do know that it is a huge deal and it does mean a lot to me as a daughter because he is an inspiration with what he's done for the music industry. So definitely something that means a lot to me, I would say.
It's just dad. I mean, it's just dad. What do you mean? It's just dad.
Yeah, but remember with them when they grow up, it's normal at home, you know. And by the time they grew up, one had already
toned down a bit, so they didn't get to see the highlights of what Dead used to be.
It's a big night yomculo. You've been with music industry. This year is Summer 30. Mhlawumbe nje, what has your experience been with music awards? Any advice for nervous nominees?
Nervous nominees shouldn't be nervous. This is about enjoying yourself on stage. It's got nothing to do with anything. Just go out there and enjoy yourself, and you know, as they say, the rest will be history. But for me, if umuntu nominatiwe, that on its own is an achievement, because some of them, when they hear people calling us legends, they think we were winning too many awards. And when you look at this thing, ifana ne era ya Messi no Ronaldo, beba win ama Ballon d'Or, boy took pela, but that doesn't mean in the last 20 years they were not good players. So they must always remember that it's about the people that you serve, not the awards that you receive.
That's amazing. Khona ulindele ukumbona namhlanje perform?
Yeah, there's a lot that I'm looking forward to, and obviously there are surprises, and I just want to see that girl that Bani Lwandle Nkulu. I need to see her as well. I like her. I need to see her, and everything that that encompasses South African music for the last 8 years.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Have a beautiful evening and enjoy, guys. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga Ukhozi FM.
Hamba phambili, yeah.
Hamba phambili, Ukhozi FM. People don't know that most of us were made by Ukhozi FM, and one wants to give a big shout out to good Siyabonga. Keep on supporting other South African music artists. Without Ukhozi, we wouldn't be where we are. We love all the radio stations, but we do know that, you know, once they start pushing your song.
Sithobekile kakhulu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Njengamanje ngimeno siswami uAndis wakhe bashe as well as uJonathan Kebe. Uyabona ke already kuyahuyushwa ngesign language. Makhumbula kahle emsakazweni sike saba nohlelo khona la bafika khona bekhuluma ngolimi. Siyazi ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika ulimi lethi le-18 isign language. Namhlanje bazohumusha umcimbi. Woohoo! Sasunjani?
Oh, I'm so happy. Sanibonani. Oh, ngasingajabula Nkosi yami. And phela ukhumbula Ukhozi FM njengoba lo maphiko lihambela le phezulu was the first radio station in the continent to have radio accessible. Kusakhona uBK Nkosi yami, so rest in peace. Yes. So for South African Music Awards, for the first time in history of any music awards, is going to be accessible in South African Sign Language. Into engakaze yenzeke. So siqopha umlando. Yes.
Ngiyayithanda leyo. Akekho umushe wena kukhulume yena.
Uyangikwesingisi kakhulu. Ngiyadlala.
Listen, I'm going to be speaking English. John, how are you feeling, man?
I'm actually excited because I mean this is a first in so many instances.
Wait. Let me not be in the way. Yeah. Come this side. Yes.
I mean, this is a first.
Yes.
In history, and like we're actually quite grateful, hey, that we're actually here and we're able to provide accessibility to the deaf community, and also to this is actually a leader. This is the start to something great, and we're actually grateful to Andy Science as well too for making sure that this is happening, and deaf people they're getting access because I mean it's an official language, and I mean Ukhozi FM luhamba phambili. This is a moment, and it's history in the making, and we're happy to be here and looking forward to the night. It's going to be exciting. Stay tuned, hey.
Love it. Do you want me to surprise you guys?
Okay.
I know how to say Hamba Phambili in sign language. Hey, man, you better. Now the nerves are on. Now the nerves are. Is it not?
Well, it could be.
It could. Oh, what else could it be?
Yes, you're right. You're right.
Listen, I'm gonna learn one day at a time. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you. Have a beautiful evening. Manini. The outfits. Lalela, bright red. Kukephi?
Kukhona omunye usisi Nkosi yami kuthiwa Josephina weleli baleli elimhlophe. Uthi hayi girl angeke ngikuthi nje red because I'm always in black. So I'm very happy, and then Jonathan naye wavula wardrobe wathi sibone amesha angabi kude kakhulu phela nami. Yabona uthi uzame nobhuthayi Nkosi yami ntangaze ayigqoke. Andalele sawusebenza bye.
Babayini. Thank you. Njengamanje ngime nomuntu angazi noma ngithi ilegend noma ingalabutho noma angazi anginalo igama okuyilona lona elingakuchazela kahle iqhazo libambe embonini yezomculo lifetime achievement qale ngokukhalalisela uzizwa unjani?
Neli uyazi ngisemajukujukwini ndihamba phezulu ngiyabhabha angizange ngicabanga ukuthi ngizayinikwa lento kudala ngikhona vele kulo mculo kodwa ke babathi ke Madlingozi thatha nansi into lifetime achievement. It's like lifetime and khona futhi enye into eyangisabisa uba abantu babenikwa le lifetime hey kusho ukuthi iminyaka so at least abayazi ba ngiyayazi uba bathi siyakunika because siyakuthanda and siyayazi umculo wakho uphilise abantu abaningi and wakhulisa nabanye bashada futhi ngomculo abanye bohlukana futhi ngomculo bafuna futhi babambana ngezandla abanye baloko umculo wami is all about unity, is all about uthando, is all about udlelwano man umonde nobomi yonke into impilo.
Yo, ngiyakhalalisela. I mean, it's 30 years of Amasama this year. I'm sure akusiwona umqemelo wakho wokuqala. Your advice zeluleko kwamanye ama-artists ezamva kwakho.
Mandosi mina into enzathi kuye nje yabona kufuneka umuntu othi ufuna ukucula ayazi into uba ufuna ukucula ngoliphi ulwimi thatha ulwimi lwakho ucule ngalo khona ukuze abantu okhula nabo ofunda kubo nabo bafunde ngomculo wakho and ungafuna ufana nomnye umuntu yenza lento uyiyo yibangu lo muntu unguye ngendlela ofuna ngayo as long as bungazunyathela inyawo zomnye umuntu kodwa ke all in all yonwaba jabula ba happy
ngiyayithanda konwaba kaloko
njengamna bona ngundonwabe nje
wonwabe
jonga baza nika i-lifetime award achieve le kangabathi kum sakunominate bathe we are giving you are the recipient siyabulela
bulela thina
yabona
nciba isuti man
ufake isutu uthina bakum
ngiyabonga kakhulu halala. Have a beautiful evening.
Thank you inkosi kakhulu.
Thank you. Ngime nobhuti wami uSite angazi ukuthi plan yanamhlanje ithini ne because waduma ngeplan ithini plan yanamhlanje
iplan ebikhona ekseni bekuwukuthi sizowina sengiyiwaphese awuthiwa ama-award i-album yami ubest album best kwaito album sengiwinile ubest collaboration weplan sesiwinile nabafowethu othukuzini nozaba so iplan ngicabanga ukuthi saqhubeka
iyahlangana mani le plan
iyahlangana kakhulu.
Siyanibongela kakhulu halala ngathi ngaqhubeka khona yini okulindela ukubona namhlanje mhlawumbe umculo othize performance ethile
ngesho nangebhadi bekumele ngiperforme bengilindele performance yami kasho ukuthi ngilate bengikade ngiphuma eBotswana sangakwazi ukucover so into ekade ngi-excited for yona bekuyi-performance nama-award but ngoba sengiwinile-ke cabanga ukuthi sengingahamba ngekhaya ngolala mhlawumbe.
Awusiyashiya bule kanjalo
phela bengizowina mina lana bengizowina bengizele
yasiropa ngeke ngixoxele nga-outfit yakho fit check nyana nje
okay i-outfit yami yanamhlanje yasezara akuyona into angizithandi into eyibizayo nento yabo basi nje yasezara ngiyithande kakhulu ngabona ukuthi lento le ngingakwazi ukuthi ngifike ngiyi-rock and nangempela ngiyi-rockile iyahambiselana nebharet yami okuyiyona signature so bese ngashaya u-Air Force-ke okuyi-legendary-ke leyo-ke yebo
classic but wami sibonge kakhulu halala futhi bengizosupe nobusuku obuhle kodwa ngoba uyasishiya
hayi buzoba buhle vele phela bese ngiwinile mina.
Siyabonga kakhulu ngiyabonga.
Thank
you. Melana nobaba uVusi Mahlasela umuntu osekhona embonini yomculo isikhathi eside kakhulu baba sikubingelele sikomkele.
Inkosi namandla siyabonga.
Siyajabula kakhulu kuba nawe siyazi ukuthi usunesikhathi esiningi kakhulu usemculweni baningi abeza emva kwakho mhlambe khona amazwi izeluleko ongabapha zona.
Hayi lapha emculweni into yenhle because of umculo ujabulisa abani nobani noma awuphilanga or awusimnandi noma kanjani but mawulalela umculo nje it's a therapy manje ngiyajabula ukuthi no nalaba baza emva kwethu bayafollow but I think into ebalulekile i-subject matter lefu ze bakhulume ngayo to make people aware about, you know, us as people, that we need each other. Yabon, and lapha emhlabeni together with other things there's that we need to respect. And then especially mase weakness into eziningi ama global warming kanjalo kunamagulo and everything, but umculo uyakhona ukuthi no ungayenza ukuthi no abantu, because there's that frequency which is positive, and especially if there is good subject matters of messages in them.
Khona into olindele ukuyibona namhlanje ebusuku.
Mina ngingathi kudala ngihamba lezi zinto lezi zama awards and taking some accolades and all that. It doesn't have to be that it has to be like a matlock on the wall when you put an award there. But it means something, so that when you get this abantu laba bazothola ama award, it must mean something to them, that they must how can I put it?
Encourage you.
No, it means they must have responsibility kumphakathi. That's what I want to say.
Thank you so much, Baba. Have a good evening.
Thank you very please.
Thank you. Ngimeno siswami uLwandle uNkulu, simthanda kakhulu emculeni wethu la eNingizimu Afrika. Uzizwa unjani? Oh, ngiyakubona indlela ogqoke ngayo, usu-ready.
Ngihappy, ngijabule, enengingakusho nje ukuthi nawe umuhle sisi kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga, sikhulume no-Arthur Mafukade, ngambuza ukuthi yini oyilindele namhlanje, wathi ngizobona uLwandle uNkulu. Uzizwa unjani?
What? And ungitshelile earlier on ukuthi I think you are my favorite artist, if I'm not mistaken. Ngathi what? No, I'm super excited.
It is very exciting. Mhlawumbe khona ama-nerves ngoba uzoperforma nje usujwayele. Oh,
into engi-excited kakhulu kuyenza ukuthi ngiperforme, but ngiyasaba obviously mase kubizwa ama-nominations.
All the best. So amxoxeleke ingubo yakho. Oh, sikudedele uyoperform.
Awungidedele, ngifuna ukubingelela abangani bami.
Sixoxe ingubo kuqala ke uhamba ungangitshelanga.
Guys, I'm dressed by luxury design. Ngazithi fange sikhama sika DJ Zinhle. Era, you know. I-theme ibithi proudly South African, so I pulled out for the girl who's doing the most.
Lalela, I love it. Performe kahle, bye-bye. Ngimelana ne-3-time nominee. Uze wathi winner now. Ngibona ukuthi hayi ziyangikhalela uBrenda Mtabo. Siswami unjani?
Ngiyaphila kakhulu siswami unjani wena?
Ngiyaphila, ngixoxela ngama-category onominatele wona.
I got 3 nominations. The best African contemporary album, the best engineered album, and the best female. And they've already announced the winners for other winners, and I'm one of the winners, so I've just won an award already. So yeah.
Uzizwa unjani ama-chance akho kulawa amanye asele?
You know what? Being nominated is a big achievement. I always say you need to be in the room. You need to be in the field. You need to be in the playground. I'm in the playground and I'm grateful, and that's all that matters. Yeah.
What? I know, amazwi. Talk to me about your outfits.
And vintage, and Danzanglinda, we conceptualized the whole look together, and we came up with this amazing outfit. Yeah.
Thank you so much. All the best ngala categories ngathi ungawina.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Sam, thank you so much.
Thank you. Ngibelana no siswami uMbali Mavimbela. Nimbona nje la ilungisiwe le pose. Lengubona i-deserve. Uthi ngipose. Siswami ngiyazi ukuthi nawe usungenile kwimboni yezomculo, and soon isilindele something angithi.
Something very soon is coming. Ngizobe ngidropha manje ngoNovember. Ngiyambizana Zulu.
Lwezi.
Look at you.
You thought ungiquphile. Lalela siyakubongela halala umsuku obomculo obukhulu namhlanje ulindo likubonani.
My favorite people winning, and my favorite people ngisho abantu basekhaya base KZN. There's a couple, but most importantly ngijabulela ukuthi nje we're celebrating 30 years of Amasama, you know, and they now accepting and celebrating a lot of female musicians and female DJs. Phela nami ngikhona lapha, so I'm really excited about that.
Ngiyayithanda. Manini ke kwenzakalani la?
Angithi ngigqoke orange yangibona ngithi. So ngithe nje, oh, this is a flow. Angenze kube bright. ngibe yimbali. Ama-petals ngifuna ukuwabona ephakama. Because in the industry, that's exactly what I've been doing. Just flourishing.
Ephakama. All right. Siswami sibonge kakhulu sifisela ubusobuhle siyabonga.
Thank you so much, guys.
Lalela ke masuza kuthiwa lolu Ukhozi FM sosho bani?
Kusuke kusho mina.
Uzanda zakuza in the house Swama Zwamuhle. Xoxela ingubo yakho fast.
Ngigqokiswe uJK proudly South African owase tailored black couture.
Couture, have a good night.
Phela fanele sibatshele.
Love it siyabonga.
Enkosi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner for the Radio 2000 Duo or Group of the Year is comes out this morning in Tuesday.
Hey madoda yini lokho futhi ngiyabonga kakhulu to Kabza the Small yazi nosulana amagama yaphela bafethe igama mama I didn't know ukuthi ngizothi ngina 30 ube kuamasama 30 ngibe ngithola ama awards kanje yabona futhi bona lokho abasikimu music i-album bafethe ayashisa kodwa uthina na isikhaleni yabona kakhulu bafethe ngiyabonga obvious.
And the winner is Love it. Congratulations Halala. Best mapiano and best duo. Siyakubongela bhuti umzizwe njani?
Ngizizwa ngisexy ke konamhlanje ke angazi ke ngani ke balaleli nababukeli. Angazi ngempela.
Ubulindele ukuthi lemkomelo izoza ngakwena?
no indlela engithuke ngayo namagama asevela abaleka.
Udlala ngathi wena nini nje uqoqe yonke imikomelo emcimbini.
Buka iphepha liyadlala kumanje indlela engithuke ngayo. Ngiyakutshela nje.
Wenza ngani yini imfihlo yakho?
Thatha music. Thatha lento music.
Iyaphilisa.
Kakhulu.
Any shout outs kubantu ababambe iqhaza ukuthi ufike la ukhona namhlanje?
Bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ukubona bonke abantu abakholelwayo nakade bengakholelwa bagcina sebekholelwa kulento engiyenza noma kulomculo engiwenzayo ngobane kade ngawuqala. 2 ekuthandeni nami kade ngikulendlela le bekade kunzima vele ukwenza into eyenza umqondo. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Kube khona ukuthi une talent elikhulu kakhulu noma elide kakhulu kodwa kufanele ubuye uthi ukulehlisa kancane ukuze wonke umuntu akunderstande. Mangabe ufuna ingoma yakhe iculwe ingane ngeke uzushaya amagama ugeqa amagula manje yabo uzosho lo sawuboy 99 yabo into efana naleyo. So ngicabanga ukuthi nami ngifile kuleso sigaba leso ukuthi ngithi ukutona down izinto wonke umuntu akwazi ukuthi engage ku music wami even though ngiwucula ngesizulu. Ngiyayibona leyo nto.
No but wamqhubeka nje siyakhalalisela qhubekele phambili wine nezinye indoda siyakubongela.
Ngiyazihalisela nami ngithi hala la.
Love it. Thank you. Mam Rebecca Malope umuntu oyingqalabutho leader in imboni yezomculo. So happy to talk to you today. First off wazwa muhle.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyabonga ngizithungele from Thursday le rock.
Hayibo uyashesha.
Bengiphoqa umuntu bekumele angithungele ke bengicabanga ukuthi ngoba yena uprofessional phela uzongenzela into ephezulu. Wangiphoqa kwathi ngolesine azange ngilali. Ngino 3 days nje ngalali ngikhona ngiyolala namhlanje. Ngolwesine ngaqala iroko uFriday njengoba ngiligcoka namhlanje.
And ulishayile no complaints.
I'll complain. Hallelujah. God is good bazalwane.
But you've been kwimboni yezomculo for very long. Siyazi ukuthi summer 30 kulonyaka mhlawumbe nje experience yakho kule mboni ubona ama awards ahlukahlukene.
You know you mean on the summers or
in general?
In general, you mean about Crown Gospel Awards, summer? You know, Amasama, let me say something about Amasama first. Amasama, those are our biggest awards in Mzansi. Ngizothini awalawa American it was Grammys ethuthini Mzansi lawa. And then siyajabula ukuthi sibona ama artists futhi athuthuka nawo athola ama awards, especially mina ku gospel category because I love gospel. So and ngiyajabula ukubona ama artists amancane awathola nawo ama awards oxoli laba. Ngiyabathanda kakhulu abantwana bami bonke laba and I wish them all the well. And manje futhi nalama amanye ama awards siyawathanda na Crown Gospel Awards leyo it's our baby ke. Crown Gospel Award uSisuzanele wasenza abantu njenge gospel industry. Wathina akube nalomsebenzi wama Crown Gospel Awards ukuze gospel noma izwi likaNkulunkulu likwazi ukusabalala even more, likwazi ukuthola a bigger stage than just a small category A1 evela kumasama. So kuma Crown Gospel Awards siyazi ukuthi kundlalekile manje. Now we introduced to jazz gospel, to mapiano gospel, to traditional, you know, variety manje ye gospel. And siyabona futhi ukuthi ama Crown Gospel Awards have taken gospel to another level, you know. Before bekuthiwa ukucabanga ngegospel kucabange ngoRebecca Malope, but namhlanje umcabanga ngegospel ucabanga abantu abaningi ama gospel artists abaningi good, very good gospel artists. Siyabonga kakhulu nakhona nabo Mpumalanga Gospel Awards nabo siyabathanda, nabo basacathula bacathola bazoze bafike nabo kulezinga elifana nalo le.
Mhlambe nje unawo amazwi okululeka abaculi nababangenayo kwimboni kakhulukazi laba basha abasaqala.
You know, mina ngizothi i-industry le esikuyo it's a very difficult industry, and i-industry eyingozi futhi kakhulu when it comes to us as ama gospel artists. if you are not careful ingakugwinya ukugwinya kanjani ingakushiya ungazi ukuthi uwe kanjani phansi. Be careful because you are in a very dangerous industry. It's good, it's nice, but it's not nice at the same time if you're not careful. Take good care of self. Self-discipline is very important.
I love it. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ma, have a beautiful night.
Yes, ngikhuluma kakhulu. Thank you so much.
No,
Hallelujah.
Amen.
No worry, mntanami.
Manje kumele no babe sodumo uyasibonela nje yasibonela sibonile performance yakho uzizwa unjani nje abantu bekujabulela stage.
Ngijabule kakhulu ngoba obviously bazongijabulela bazongithanda and not ukuthi ngiyachoma ukuthi phela igama lami ngasebenzela and we understand nje umukhuluso omndenini okwazi ukuhlonipha nokumazi uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi yonke into iyenzeka through uNkulunkulu. So yeah, angazi ngikhuluma amazimzimi njengamanje.
Nanokuthi nje performance yakho uyithatha serious ibone kade ufaka ingubo yomshado nje waphelela washintsha futhi thoze kakhulu ukubona khona into esingayilindela kuwena umculo omusha khona into ezayo.
Usuphumile umculo wami uphume umhla ka30 ethi dlala episode amagangangozi abizwa ngamagangangozi. So njengade ngigqoka ingubo yomshado because indoda yami yayisithungile ingubo yomshado nesuti nayo. So ngithe othi ngigqoke le ngubo ngangimele ku season 3 because anganazi khona uthando lodumo. So othi ngigqokele indoda yami namhlanje ukuthi la ikhona ayingibone ukuthi manje ngiyamasha. Yabo ngiyahamba. I'm single but I'm not available.
Ngiyayithanda ke le ngibonge kakhulu sisi wami kube nobusuku obuhle yeza.
Wazwami muhle nawe.
Ngiyabonga ona umuhle. Uhamba phambili.
Uhamba phambili.
Ngiyabonga. Gimelana noma Pholo basanibonani?
Yebo ninjani mntanami?
Siyaphila sibonga ukuthi sibe nani lana kumasama sisisama 30 kulonyaka siyazi ukuthi nibe kuyimboni yozomculo washo limhlophe kuumuntu ohlonishwa kakhulu ngomsebenzi wakhe iminyaka ngeminyaka nizizwa ninjani ukuqhubeka nibambe siyazi ukuthi akululu ukulast isikhathi eside kulemboni.
Akulula but ongaphezulu uyokuqhubayo mayingabe umasi uthi baba ngithembe wena ngizethembanga mina uNkulunkulu uyaqhuba. Yes.
Mhlambe manje ubumqoka bokubambisana kwabaculi nabantu ababasupportayo isekhaya ama manager nabo bonke labo bantu ukuze ikusasa liqhubeke kubona.
Ukubambisana into enhle noma ngabe kusekhaya or emsebenzini ngoba the minute niqala ukubambisana kusho ukuthi khona inqubekela phambili. Ngesingisi sithi gaphu kancane ngithi kuye kuthiwa united you stand but divided you fall. Uyayibona lonto and nangaphandle kwalokho uNkulunkulu uyathanda ubumbano ngoba mani bumbene ni attractor uthando lukaNkulunkulu ne attractor uNkulunkulu ngoba uNkulunkulu vele uthando
uyayibona lona so manibumbene ngaso sonke isikhathi akwenzeki ukuthi umsebenzi ungaqhubeki.
Amen impela. Izeluleko nje baba kwabanye abaculi abasazofika emva kwakho khona abasha nabancane abangenayo nje embonini yezomculo.
Ya ngisho nje ukuthi mntanami singakhuluma ngawo wonke umsebenzi ngoba nathi la emculweni siyasebenza. Into ebalulekile kumuntu ukuthi thanda umsebenzi owenzayo. Ungathanda imali ngoba uma uthanda imali umsebenzi awuzukwenza kahle. Kodwa uma uthanda umsebenzi uzowenza kahle imali ngeke uzuyifuna izoyisela ngoba umsebenzi wakho muhle.
Yes. Ngiyasithanda leso seluleko. Ngiyakhumbula mhlambe kwakunyaka odlule uthola i-Lifetime Achievement Awards. Sinibongela kakhulu ngathi ngaqhubeka futhi mhlambe nje khona into makungathiwa ngifisa ukwaziwa ngento eyodwa eningasho ukuthi nakho thina sifisa abantu basazi ngakho.
Iyodwa indlela yokuthi ufisa ukuthi abantu bakwazi bakukhumbule ngakho uthando. Funeka ube nothando kubantu, ubathanda abantu, ungabi nenkukhumalo, ube umuntu ozehlisayo. Uthande wonke umuntu, ungabi nomuntu othile ngimthandayo, angimkhulumisa ubani cha. Kufuneka sithandane, sihloniphane, sisizane futhi.
Yeah, sizane kakhulu.
Ukusizana. Yesikhuluma ma. Khuluma nto yami.
Yeah, kubalekile ukusizana, size nomunye umuntu ukuthi naye akwazi ukuthi afinyelele kuleli zinga nawo kulona. Ngoba ukusiza omunye umuntu kuyasiza kakhulu and kuyinto ebalekile ngoba nathi la sikhona sifike ngoba kukhona abantu abasizile. Nathi sibona kubalekile ukuthi nathi kube khona abantu asibasizayo. Noma ungeke kuba khona bonke kodwa lo wodwa oyi1 okwazile ukumshintsha impilo yakhe naye uzoshintsha abanye.
Umama nje saselapho kungakho umuntu ubhekile emuva wazibona ukuthi usukaphi ukhule kanjani ukuthi ngibela ngikhona umusa kaNkuluNkulu. Kungakho saqala lento esibiza ukuthi iHash Movement ukuthi sifuna abafana basemakhaya sikwazi ukubasiza.
Ngiqhubekele nje phambili umsebenzi wenu uyancomeka muhle kakhulu ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga lathi kakhulu.
Siyabonga, thank you. Siyabonga. Sengime namawina manje abaqoqi beyindondo best maskandi artist uGatsheni sawubona.
Yebo njani ma?
Siyaphila usizwe njani indondo usuyiphethe ngesandla?
Ngijabule kakhulu namhlanje ukuwina indondo enkulu kangaka eSouth Africa. Uma awards amakhulu ngalendlela ngiyabonga kakhulu ithuba ngithenga liphiwe abakwaSama yes.
Ubukulindele belukhona uvalo ukuthi mhlambe ngase ngingayitholi noma ayibuzithemba vele uzale iyekhaya.
Bengithanda bengifisa kodwa manje angikwazi ukuthi bengayilindela ngoba bengazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani sithi kune system yakhona esebenzayo ngapha ongamajaji so lokhu kube yi surprise kimi ngiyabonga kakhulu ithuba lokhu kusho likhulu kimi futhi ngicabanga ukuthi nabanye ababukayo amathisa semancane ugqozi lizoedeka ugqozi nofuqufuqu bazoba nalo kuze nabo ngililanga beyithinta indondo enkulu kangaka.
Siyakubongela siyakhalalisela khona imessage onayo nje kubalandeli bakho.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ithuba engilinikezwe ngabalandeli ngiyabonga kakhulu ithuba abakwaSama abangiphe lona ngibonga kakhulu nethuba umphathi wami angipha lona ngaso sonke isikhathi uhleze khona ngibonisa indlela eright uhleze neqiniso kimi so nje ngiyabonga bonke abantu abakholelwa kimi nabantu beindaba noKhozi ngiyabonga kakhulu uKhozi lidlala elikhulu iqhaza ukuze uGatsheni ebe ulo Gatsheni enguyena namhlanje.
Kubonga thina Kajeni halala futhi ube nobusuku obuhle. Siyabonga.
Ngiyabonga niphile.
Siyabonga. Thank you. All right, again, another winner. Hey, uzizwa njani? How are you feeling?
Siswam, sibonga uNkulunkulu. I thank all my supporters, the fans. IsiZulu ngisikhulumi but fanda yazi sizokhuluma isiZulu. Siswam, I'm happy, I'm humbled. The award for Best Hip Hop Album, Summer 30. I have no words.
Amazing. Congratulations.
Ngiyabonga.
Were you ready? Were you suspecting ukuthi yakho? Were you nervous?
Ngokutshela iqiniso ne, I felt like we deserved the award. I wasn't sure if we were going to win the award, but clearly the Summers know what they're doing because they gave us this award. It's so deserved. The album is amazing. We're closing in on gold status. Njaka, my first single, is officially gold, going on platinum. Man, God has been so amazing.
That is so amazing. Any shout outs to people who played a part in this journey?
Man, I want to send a shout out to my beautiful wife.
And she's stunning for those who don't see. Hey.
My beautiful daughter who we do this for, her name is Africa. She's at home somewhere there. Ubaba wami, umama wami, ugogo wami, uyandithandazela. She prays for me. So, oh man, I'm getting emotional, but yeah, my grandma, God, the fans, the team, yeah.
Thank you so much. Congratulations once again. Thank you. Alright, ke sengime angazi noma isizi nje zegame ama legends angazi nginibeke kuphi ama Grootman
Imbuzi.
Why imbuzi?
Goat.
Oh, okay, fine. I wouldn't have thought yazi imbuzi.
That's how you rappers, yabo.
Hey, dropping bars, ne?
Bars after bars.
Listen, man.
Pasakwana.
It's been years and years. Niwimboni yomculo ne. Do you have anything to say with the experience you've had? I'm sure you have thousands of award ceremonies. Any word of advice to fellow artists, new guys coming into the industry?
Yeah, hamba nesikolweni. Okay. Okay, mara landelani inhliziyweni niculeni mara even a chance and serious, even a chance ukuya esikolweni, but mostly ke if uzongena ku music ke hambi ufunda about the music le industry ongena kuyo. Ane ngoba mawungena kuyo uthi ufuna ukucula uzoba umsebenzi phela uzosebenzela omunye umuntu. So bekela lama video we YouTube uze ukuthi nabo Capas abo Sambra ama royalty into ngizifundise. If nje uzothi uzoyekela isikolo okay funda isikolo semusic ke ukuthi ungasebenzeli umuntu ungasikhaleli kusasa uthi hey bangidlela imali nani ilokho kuphela ngakusho.
Most importantly mawufuna ukuba a musician uzifundise ngepublishing. Number 1 siqale lapho.
All right.
Yeah, I'm definitely, but also one thing I'll definitely say ukuthi asiqale ngokubonga la ekhosini ngithola because for part of it because you know in promotion we all know like a big part of in self promotion besiyenza right besiyenza amathos besikule ama taxi rank namachita mas promote album. There was no shame, it wasn't just about ukuthi sifuna ukuba cool or whatever but ukuthi as promote ingoma whether say wonke amachisa nyama samba wonke ama rank ngithola sikula phezulu kwamatafula tavern ayikho into besingayenzi so ngithi never be too cool ungacabanga ukuthi yazini mina ngishaba ngifuna ukuyenza lokho angifuna ukuyenza lokho ngithola and through that whether it was Ukhozi Magic Tour whether it was ama OB anywhere ama late night interview into esishoyo that avongoye mfethu into kumele uyenze la ukuthi kumele ukholwe uhambe upromote umculo wakho zonke indawo angithola and then kunabantu abangakupa ithuba and kulelo thuba lelo Ukhozi was one of the places abasipa ithuba ukuthi abantu bakhona ukusimamela so sithi njoba silapho sicela ukubonga
mina kubaculi abasha ngithanda nje ukuthi
Sithande. Because uzobe uzithengisa wena.
Sithande.
Umusic lo oyenzayo uyenzela wena kuqala. Awuyenzeli abanye abantu. Yabo? So ngicela uzithande because I think ama-artists wethu manje they go through a lot, especially mental illness. Because the problem ukuthi bafuna lento bayibiza ukuthi ba verify omunye umuntu. Ukuthi kuze kusho bani ukuthi utop. Cha, stop sonke ne ukuthi udifferent yi-super power yakho. Into eyenza uSpectreman or uSuperman or uBatman ukuthi awufani noSpiderman. Uyabona? So lento uyiyo yilento uNkulunkulu ayidalile, yilento le umhlaba uyidingayo. I-puzzle mayishape ethize yafana nenye yohlala phezukwenye angeke ibe nevalue. Imnandi mayingena espace insayo then mayilahlekile kuba nomgodi.
Hey, boss, yawenza ama-rap. Shine. Manini, kuyo yonke le minyaka, what has been highlights of your career?
Mina ngitshela manga ne. Ziningi izinto ezayenzakala, but I think the highlight is that being with these guys as companions, as friends, as group members. I think imagine ungadume emhlabeni udume nabangani bakho. You know, so for me there's a lot that has happened, but just doing it with your friends, I think for me that's the biggest highlight.
Yo.
This Charlie Zanda.
And as in,
yeah,
I know you guys are gonna call me names. Ngandawa. But Royal Show is always a highlight for all of us. Royal Show, PMB. We played Royal Show as Squatter Camp. Played Royal Show with Slicker. Played Royal Show as Sugar Smacks. And Begum Nandi every single time. The biggest audience I think to date. I think Royal Show was number 1. Ren Show was number 2. The Dome Movers number 3. But I mean, those are the 3 biggest shows you can play in the country. And saying Guti, Royal Show was the biggest, right? Yeah. Royal Show number 1, and then Ren Show, then the Dome.
I think Mina, my biggest highlight was Ugwina award eyokala cut and join, not only for his Squatter Camp, but it was the first time a hip hop group in South Africa winner a hip hop award. Because basically we are going to Bob Mapena, who went representing hip hop. May his soul rest in peace, Supra Pop.
It was rap, but it wasn't hip hop.
But it wasn't hip hop. But the hip hop award, when we won it, you know, say winner, wangena unkumunde stage, abo ammunition, abo Selvin, I think Sharp Sabuya ngasezangap. Ne? Sezangape Koli. Mase sifika ngape Koli, waba ne celebration e Rosebank. Then that's when abo
Kulichana. Nerito ubiza mara ubusi Zulu. Awazi Zulu kuli.
Again,
Kulumela. Nanya Kulichana.
Ngamulelekisa ngamthwala.
Mina angikhulumi isiZulu.
Mina dolo. Asitwele.
Idolo.
Dolo.
Dolo lindala.
What up, bro?
Dololo. Absolutely love it.
Kulichana la sesizomtolikela
mina ngicela uku-interview uKhulichana. Yeah. Khulichana brawami. Yini i-moment yakho ewuyikhumbulayo mangikhuluma ngeSquatter Camp? The first greatest moment mangikhuluma ngeSquatter Camp. Yeah.
Fana besi epitori. Besi sepitori. Squatter just performed, I think, after
Zulu plays.
a huge. Yeah, ikwaito sta enkulu. Ne? It was after that la palamara, la shaya, and then the speakers fell. I think it was the Kings are back. Shokra. The whole thing looked planned. The Kings are back.
Because people started riding over the speakers and then
Show's over.
People, yeah, I remember that.
You remember that show?
Show crowd. Show crowd.
I was there. Go ahead.
They climbed on the speakers. Oh my word, hectic. Okay.
Wow.
Last question.
Okay.
I'll tell you so you remember. That was the night Pitch Black never performed because he was supposed to perform before us, and then he said, "No, I'll close the show, let them perform," and then he never performed.
Nobody wanted to perform after Squatter.
Perform after Squatter.
Okay, one last question.
Yeah.
One person can answer it.
Okay.
What does Squatter Camp want to be remembered by?
Sure.
Always, when someone says Squatter Camp, what do you want to come into people's minds?
Yes, in all honesty, I think it's what all of us want to be remembered by as Motswako, as Double HP, as any genre, as Murafi. It's just being able to, I think, let others be able to allow to themselves to express themselves, because that's how we got here, The Motswako originator, because he became like what he became through what he did. Motswako was what it is because of what it did. Outrageous Records did what it did. A Show did what it did. Pitch Black did what he did, and Squatter Camp did what we did. And collectively, we could hang out together because we were all expressing ourselves in our space. Nobody felt threatened by the other, and it must blow my beslala slege, and then kube mnandi. I would like to.
Iqiniso. I nailed it.
Timing.
It was never the same after Squatter. Culture shifters, game changers. After Squatter, hip-hop became mainstream. It was never the same.
And with that being said, I just want to make it very simple. If I think Squatter Camp and how people I would like to remember Squatter Camp, inspiration. Simple.
Take the risk.
Don't be afraid.
Landela inhliziyo yakho, yenza nabangani benu, sebenza nabangani bakho, and nibe abangani. Yabona like Ubabdum Kandlovu once said that a long time ago when we got our first award, what's into that made the Squatter special, ukuthi sibancane sebenza sonke as and we're successful. So just be successful with your friends. There's nothing wrong with that. This speaks to sorry Mahamba, but this speaks to the article that came out and I shared it in our group. If we look at, they were talking about the hip hop groups in the country and so forth. But Tear Gas or friends, Squatter Camp or friends, Murafi or friends, Josie or friends, and POC or friends. If there's any common denominators that all of these groups that they said, here are the guys, it's because we came from one place together, and then, then we did whatever we did as a collective. Whereas, if you are put together, and it's unfair, but it's unfortunate, but if they put you together like in a competition, and then they make you have a group, then it's different. That's why you're still riding Limachita to this day. We're still riding to this day.
No,
because
mina okunye futhi engifuna ukuthi abantu bakukhumbule guys. Not throwing shade or anything. Yo.
I'm gonna let you be the last one. Yeah.
As the Squatter Camp guys, abantu bangakhohlwa ukuthi back in the day, ngenkathi ze Squatter Camp,
Yeah.
as either abo Moya, Rao, Klep song.
Yeah.
You could tell Squatter Camp Buyaphi, you could tell Imurafi.
Okay, let's wrap it up. Yeah. Let's wrap it up. Yeah, shout out guys. Thank you very much. Yeah, we can talk the whole night and we're taking a selfie while we edit. But yeah. No. Just khulumile sonke guys. Another time, gang. We'll take a picture. Sekushop. manje sengime nolithabo lejo. Hey, kwaku-Real Housewives. Unjani?
Ngiyaphila wena unjani sis?
Ngiyaphila lalela. It's a big evening of music. Kwenzakaleni, how you feeling? Have been enjoying yourself?
Oh, kwaba mnandi amasama. So this is summer 30. You see my Zulu is like bits and pieces, but zozama, right?
Funa lesakwaZulu.
So the summers were incredible. Ngijabule kabi. And the fact that I'm not only here as a guest like many other years that I've been attending the summers. I'm here doing my business. I'm launching my water at the summers. And it's just so great to be in this 30 years of democracy and celebrating our music and celebrating a joy as a businesswoman.
I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Any words to, the many guests who come to award ceremonies over the years? I mean, I know you're a businesswoman and also you are in entertainment yourself.
And I was a judge this year. I was judging the summers. Yes.
Ngizongena next year ngwinisa ne?
Angeke. You must be able ukucula kahle kakhulu. Siqala lapho. Ucula.
Create a friendship
Okay,
nje.
masizwe.
Tomorrow.
Uyabo?
Tomorrow.
Hayi angeke uyithole i-award yamasama.
Saying ukuthi you're a judge, mhlambe any pieces of advice that you'd give our artists who want to win awards, what they must remember, what they should stay away from?
I think once you get what you need to sound like, stick to it. There's never a time where you need to prove to someone that because this is the sound that is happening now, I need to go to it. I mean, if you check all the categories, some of them, it's not the music that people think is making waves now, but it's good music. So whatever niche that you think you are, stick to it, do it to your best. When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. That's it. You will win. When the time is right. I mean, tonight we saw Pretty Ugly winning in the summer. He also couldn't believe it. You see, when the time is right. And he just said, I was almost to giving up. So you never know when that time is coming. And remember, God loves all of us, guys. We need to have chances. It can't be one person all over again. So you don't know. Maybe you're on a queue and tomorrow it's your chance to get it. So yeah.
See why I wanted to sing Kusasa.
Uzocula kusasa, sis.
Thank you so much, love. Thank you. Have a beautiful evening.
Thank you so much.
Gimelana nomculo sesimjwayele kakhulu embonini okay Malumkhulu Cat but wami ngikubingelele ngwamkela
Yebo njani siswami
sikhona ngixoxele usukube lemculo emboni iminyaka eminingi kakhulu khona izeluleko nazo kubacula bangena manje mhlambe abangena kwi-industry abawina ama-awards okokuqala nqa
ngihalisele everyone that won actually it's been dope but yeah for abantu abasangena just make sure ukuthi i-team yakho kuqala ile impintshi lezo ploma nazo like the one guy kumele abe cameraman and the other guy you know what I mean like all of that but just like you gotta have a team around you can't do it by yourself
mhlambe obani kuyi-career yakho even if it's not amagama per se ababambe iqhaza ekubeni ukuthi ufike la usukhona njengamanje
I think mostly yeah it has to be only you know first half but like but yeah I would say like everybody I met through the music thing like everybody that collaborated yeah it's always been like that give and take energy thing yeah so I can't say yo but like yeah everyone who's actually had a chance to actually work with me or I had a chance to work with them it's been dope.
Thank you so much Butwambe nobusuku obuhle.
Ngiyabonga.
Female Artist of the Year goes to Tyler once again. Congratulations.
Ayike manje sengiphethe celeb lama celeb. Elikhulu kunawo wonke elisivusa ekseni usuvuka nje uzolela iphimbo alikho elinye elidlula leli ekseni nje mavula umsakazo wakho hamba phambili umroza Buthelezi.
Nelisa uyazi ngempela angeke ungalali uqhubeke nokulala sekukhuluma isihosha khoshozela isihosha endlini uvela uyithola usuvuka suthi hayi kulungileke noma bengingafuna ukuvuka sengiyavuka uyayibona into enjalo.
Yazi ngichazwa yini abantu bahleze bethi unobuso bomsakazi bekhuluma ngabantu nganibuke lobuso guys obe TV asazi uthi lo buso bomsakazi kanjani kusekiwe kufake nengubo enama pearls wazwa muhle
ngibe ngathi nje ngiya ezulwini sengi ready vele uyayizwa lo nto ngathi sengi ready kodwa ngeke ngoba ngingakabi ready khona kodwa kubese ngathi sengi ready uma sengihamba ngalama pearls nje kodwa ngiyabonga kakhulu kwindoni fashion house okuyibona nje abathe Mroza sizokwenza iproudly South African chic as abantu bekwazi kanjalo so ke ngikwazi nokucelebrate nami umculo wethu ala ekhaya kulo 30 years of democracy esibe nayo eningizimu Afrika njengoba futhi besithi summers 30 okuwukuthi nakhona iminyaka engamashumi amathathu amasama akho abakhona so nje kuyangijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi uKhozi FM lungilethile la SABC ngilethile la ukuthi nami ngibe ufakazi ukuthi kwenzekani ngo2024 kumasama.
Siyajabula kakhulu ngibonile futhi ukuthi ubuse stage ubuwenzani upresent iaward ikhambe kanjani?
Khambe kahle kakhulu hey yabo iaward ebengiyoyipresenter ibest female Artist of the Year and bekunabantu besifazane bonke banamakhono ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo Xoli Mncwango olwandlunkulu bonke okugcina ephumelele kube uTyler uyena ke uyithathile.
Uyishayile sikubonile sathi uMroza baba nje uyiTV baba nje uyiTV
ngizama manje ukufana nawe Neliswa nami ngithi hayiba ngibe muhle njengoNeliswa angibe ngeke phela uNeliswa uyiTV
nango ke dlala nami siswami ngibonge kakhulu ukuba nawe lana ndakwazayo sokubona.
Thank you ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Alright njengamanje ngimi nengezingalabutho kule industry mhlambe how old was I bona ku TV for the first time? How many years uku industry?
Sure. Normally, I don't count the years, but I know my first album, I recorded in 2001 and it came out in 2002. So, yeah. Maybe 22, 23, yes.
And ngiyabona futhi ku Instagram yakho you just had another album out. Yeah. Years later usaqhubeka. Secret yakho kule longevity.
To ukuzinikeza isikhathi to understand yourself. I think sometimes siyasaba nje to just sit back and allow ourselves gore re mamele gore what are you thinking and then see the next step. Riataba to be left out. So marabona gore something we want to rush and be there. So I think just allow that space for yourself to just become and listen to what your heart is telling you. I want to speak Izulu Marinyasaba because angifuna ukusmosha. So ngiyaxolisa. Ngitla switch up from Setswana to English, but I think if ngayafa anybody advice and if wenza mistake, take time out, uyilungise that mistake with yourself and then uqhubeke futhi. I think that's what I've learned.
Strike kanjani balance with your acting career and the music ngala ulala nini? When do you sleep?
Look kunzima, but kinale support structure, family ekhaya. I know gore mangila ekhaya the kids are fine, but they're taken care of. And nami I think into mnandi about being an artist ke gore o control schedule sa gago. So matsatsi a mangwe o khona gore ore
I'm not available just to rest and get some time off.
Bona mawina.
Yes, man. Bona Tidi from Malaika. She's like sister from another mother. Yes.
I mean, it's beautiful to have that sisterhood, not just only at home, but also in your workspace. Any message to other artists out there who are trying to make it?
I hope ukuthi le celebration ye summer 30 iyabonisa gore you can do a lot in 30 years. Ungasabi to like I said, to slow down and just do your best. So liboni mo stage in the artists khale le samboni, some artists khale sababoni bo Arthur Mafokate, you know, Squatter Camp baningi. So I think this 30-year celebration ilibonisa gore just take your time every day ozame nje go improve ntwe we etsang and ube better and better and better. From 30 years from now re tla be re celebrate wena re re viva legend. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sis. Have a beautiful night.
Kubonga mina. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga Ukhozi FM.
Thank you. Ayike olanamhlanje usuku silibeka lana uzibonele umcimbi ubumnandi kakhulu izindondo zihambile halala siyababongela bonke laba abahlomlile bawina sikhuthaze laba abangawinanga kulonyaka ukuthi baphinde bangenele futhi ngoba phela umuntu nominate kushuthi umsebenzi uyawazi uwenzile sibonile imfashini red carpet abantu kade begqokile bebahle hayi sikhathele manje amahili aseyasuka siye emakhaya siyophumula kodwa ke na kanjani kwesinye isiqephu soKhozi FM TV sobe sikhona